Today, we have some major news about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is shaping up to be the most powerful phone on the planet. And yes, you heard it right. This phone is set to leave the iPhone 16 Pro series in the dust, all thanks to the beastly Snapdragon 8 Elite, also known as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. With Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 leading the charge, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will crush the competition, making it the most powerful smartphone ever released. While this is fantastic for Samsung fans, it also marks a significant shift for Samsung as a company, and it might be a bittersweet one. Here's why. According to a massive report from South Korean media, Samsung is facing some serious production issues with their 3nm Exynos chips. As a result, all Galaxy S25 models could be powered exclusively by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. There's even a chance that some versions of the Galaxy S25 could use the MediaTek Dimensity 9400, marking a significant change for Samsung's flagship lineup. And if you think that's surprising, get this. Samsung already used a MediaTek flagship chip for the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. That move pretty much confirms the end of Exynos in a flagship world, at least for the foreseeable future. It's not just Samsung stepping away from Exynos. Even Google is ditching them, moving on to TSMC for their upcoming Pixel 10 series next year. It's a clear sign that while Samsung is benefiting from Qualcomm and MediaTek's advancements, a company's dream of a flagship Exynos processor may be over. Despite their best efforts, Exynos will likely remain a dream for now. Now let's shift gears to something even more exciting, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera upgrade. While there won't be many hardware changes from the Galaxy S24 Ultra, there is one significant upgrade you've all been waiting for: video performance. Rumors from Ice Universe and other reliable sources suggest that Samsung is putting a ton of effort into improving the video performance on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. With the phone's 200-megapixel sensor, Samsung could finally dethrone Apple in video quality, an area where iPhones have traditionally reigned supreme. One big change could be the addition of a night mode for video. Paired with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and Samsung's 2nd-gen Galaxy AI, this upgrade could elevate video quality to a whole new level. The improved AI could handle on-device video processing similar to Google's approach, but with Samsung's unique twist. That's something we're definitely excited to see. Speaking of Galaxy AI, here's an important update. Some of these AI features will become paid starting in 2025. Samsung made this announcement during the launch of the Galaxy Tab S10 series and the S24 FE. So, while we can expect groundbreaking features powered by Galaxy AI, some of those might come with a price tag down the line. Lastly, we can't talk about the Galaxy S25 Ultra without mentioning One UI 7.0, the software that will power this beast. We've already seen truly at the dawn of a new era for Android. Qualcomm and MediaTek are now the driving forces behind Samsung's flagship phones, and it's going to be exciting to see how that plays out. What do you think about the final end of Exynos in Samsung's flagship lineup? Is it the right move for Samsung? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you're excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the latest updates. See you in the next one. Foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.